H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R, keep working. Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-R-Z.
It's kind of hot.
Is it getting too hot? Okay, dry them off.
What are you guys getting ready to do?
What are we making?
Monkey bread.
Monkey bread.
Monkey bread?
Have you ever made a monkey bread before?
No.
Ha
You like to eat monkey bread?
Yeah.
Oh, me too.
Just spray it. You hold that.
Hey, hands.
Probably both hands. Is my spray in there?
There's like a key. There's like a pumpkin wheel and it's kind.
A pumpkin wheel?
Yeah, a pumpkin was and somebody showing lifted up.
Okay, I'm gonna spray in here. That's so the stuff won't stick to the bottom. Okay? Now set it over there where that towel is. And move your... It's not gonna explode. Good job. Get a hold right here. You pull it towards you. Now see that big line? This line here? Hit this line right here. Real hard. Now, don't hold on to both ends, just hit one end. Hold on to just one end. Like this. Let go with that hand. Now hit that line real hard. Harder. 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 There you go.
The monkey bread.
Twist it. Dump them out there.
Monkey bread.
Those are biscuits right now. They're going to be monkey bread pretty soon.
Oh gosh, some of them are stuck.
That's okay. You can use your fingers to get them out. We washed your hands, remember? For 20 ABCs.
ABC.
Keep pulling. That might go a little bit further.
You have to.
Yeah, you can get those out. I bet you.
I don't taste what the
They don't taste very good now. Now you gotta wash your hand. Wash your hand. Put those down. Let's put one of these on.
Taste them good. There's like 3 of these that's different. This one's different.
They're all different, but they're gonna really look different in a minute after what you do to them. You're gonna pulverize them.
This one's all
I don't know if Hannah and I have ever baked together. Okay. Now, before you do anything else, take this and put some sugar in this bowl for me. Can you see? Need a little help? Do it about 3 or 4 times. That's 3. How about one more? Now stop, stop. Now shake some of this in there. Now wait a minute, let me get it open for you.
I'll hold it so it doesn't explode.
Okay, shake some of that in there. That's cinnamon. What we're making there is cinnamon and sugar mix. Keep going.
Like everywhere?
Keep going. Now stop for a minute. Set it down. Take this spoon and stir it up real softly. Not hard, just real softly. All you're doing is mixing it. Got that. Think we need any more cinnamon?
No.
You don't? I think a little bit. There you go.
Gotta mix it all the way. Mix it, mix it, mix.
That looks pretty mixed. Okay, here comes the fun, fun, fun. Let me move this back. Pick up a biscuit. You do one and I'll do one. Tear a piece off. And lay it down. And tear another piece off and lay them down. Not little. Make them this big if you can, okay?
Okay, one like that big.
Biscuits, is that right?
Yeah, and I'll mix.
That's cinnamon and sugar?
Yeah.
Okay. And after you put them in here, what do you do with them? I'm going to scoot you back up. I don't really want in this video very much because I'm pretty awful. Looking.
Making all of them done.
Mixing them all up.
Yeah.
Mixing them very well. You don't
And I can do 2 at a time.
2 at a time?
Yeah.
Going.
I'm
Wow.
doing 2 at a time. More at a
It's getting close to being done.
What is that?
This is brown sugar and melted butter. And Granny needs to melt it a little more.
Make that big one at a time.
We gotta
Make it
get a little more butter. It's not quite enough runny.
Hey, Chef Braden,
What?
are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you going to be a chef when you grow up and cook food?
No.
Please
No.
do. Please do.
No.
What are you going to do?
Just be a dad.
Just be a dad. That's a lofty goal, boy.
You have kids?
No.
You don't?
No, I'm not even a dad.
When you grow up, are you gonna have kids though?
No.
Well, then how are you gonna be a dad?
I'm just going to grow up and just be a dad.
Just grow up and be a dad without kids. Okay. Are you about done there? Here
Yeah.
comes your juicy stuff.
Ooh, juicy. 3 more?
3, yep.
You're right.
It's like
Count them for Papa, one at a time.
1, 2, 3.
That's right.
Good job.
I'm gonna do this one because it has to.
Okay, you're both about to fall. There you go.
Time to getting done.
Pour these in something so he can pour it instead of me pouring it. That'll be more fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
What sugar?
Wait, take some of this sugar. Here, take your spoon.
That's
Take this sugar and sprinkle it all around in here. Like this.
okay.
Then your last step. This is your melted butter and brown sugar. This is your pain in the butt dog. Okay, Granny will take over that. You go ahead and start pouring the butter, okay? And this is hot, so don't spill it on you. Let me make sure it's all mixed up good.
You put in some of that in there.
I know I did.
Not gonna burn me in this cup.
You're gonna go all around in circles like this. Is it burning your hand?
Yeah, I'm just gonna be kind of up because.
Get up on your knees. Get up on your knees. You need to see what you're doing. There you go. Now just pour it all, go around and around and around. A little bit at a time. Little bit at a time. There you go. A little bit more over here. There you go.
Well.
I think we about did it.
Hey!
Look at that. Is that beautiful?
Yeah.
Now the oven, we're gonna put it in the oven in a minute. We gotta let the oven finish getting hot.
It's not on.
I came over here to turn it on a while ago and forgot. Dang, we're gonna have to wait a while now before we can.
I'm going.
Well, there's the finished product.
Prettier on this side.
Right out of the oven. Homemade monkey bread. And it is so good.
What did you say it looks like, Braden?
It looks like a donut.
A
A donut.